which is 27 above normal. The normal high temperature for today is 78 degrees, and the normal low is 54. The record high for today is 94, which occurred in 1902, and the record low is 39, which occurred in 1981. Sunrise today is at 6:31 a.m. and sunset is at 8:11 p.m. This is the NOAA Radio All Hazards, KHC27, broadcasting from the SCE-TV tower near Rock Hill, South Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. This transmitter is serving Rock Hill and the Charlotte metropolitan area, and the surrounding Piedmont of the Carolinas. The current time is 11:19 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. These are the 11 a.m. Was a test of weather radio station KHC27's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and radio watch will vary at any given location. The warning alarm will be variability will be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station KHC27, broadcasting near Rock Hill on a frequency of 162.425 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Lancaster, Union, and York. And in North Carolina, Cleveland, Mecklenburg, and Union. This concludes the NOAA Radio All Hazards Twin Alert Test.
Why the heck did you not go off?
These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the Carolinas on Wednesday, May 3rd. At Rock Hill Airport, it was sunny.
Almost was the perfect activation.
The dew point 30, and the relative humidity 36%. The wind was west at 12 miles an hour. Gusting